And welcome back, guys. Look like that is destiny of my shop that will never find peace, you know. Now that I remove out from the shop the Ursus milling machine, I need to make here some adjustment, you know, because the decal practically is on the way. Everything is a mess, and I want to try to give a final setup to my home shop. It's a little space, you know. That is maybe the third or the fourth time that I sweep around this home shop. Look also destiny that I cannot complete to install the new DRO, but you know, we have to do what we need to do, you know. And I think this is very important because in truth, summer is just at the beginning, but if you think about winter is behind already the door. So, and after in winter time will be difficult to make here a new adjustment. So I want to spend my time in order to give a new setup to my shop. It's a mess. Look guys, it's a pure mess here. Now guys, the idea is to move everything here and to move this cart away and to place here the decal milling machine. I think that this one will be the best solution for the shop. Let's go. Okay, and we are at this stage. Now guys, really I want to remove everything that really I don't need anymore, you know, because we have the habit to keep stuff Now I need to remove the enclosure here, and trust me, it didn't was the smartest things that I did in my life, you know, because the enclosure is fixed to this wood behind the screen. So it's now it's not so fast. So let's remove the screen, but before I need to remove, I need to unscrew this one, and I did it now. And I need to pull up this cable, otherwise I don't have the space to remove here and there the screw. This is the actual situation, you know. I place this cabinet on top here and not more over there. Like this here I place the decal panel control, you know, and it's out of the way, and this is also very good. For the moment I put paint here just to remove from the foot, you know. And now I want to place the decal here. All of these will disappear later on, or will be different from now. But anyway, my thinking was to put here the decal. The problem is that with the table full extended on the right side will come here. It's also true that when I will use the lathe, I will not use the machine, the milling machine, you know. And it's very rare that in truth you come up to here with the full extension, you know, because you can work around 50 centimeter in the decal, you know. That is a fantastic width, but it's rare to use to have more travel, you know, than 50. The problem is that the full extension is 70, and this means that it will come here at this point. Now the things are two: or I will move this beast and will place there and I will try, or I will stop like this, I put back here the cart. Anyway, there now the situation is much better. I gain a lot of space, and one thing I would like to try at least, but to move this beast is heavy, very heavy. To move require a lot of effort, you know. So I need to decide what to do. This is the situation. You can see look, if we go on the wall, really I save a lot of space, you know. And this cart after will go here, next behind the siag mill that for the moment is placed over there. I don't know what to do, my friend. Today is 2nd of June and is holiday in Italy, you know. And still the lathe is in this condition. Now it's also good that can be nice to put here like this in an angle, because like this I will have extra space here to put a cabinet or something, but I don't know, really I don't know, you know. To place here, and after maybe a little bit more like this, but after I will have always here a problem, maybe less. But the thing is that I will have a lot of space here. So the best thing is to try, you know. Let's see. Hi guys. So I decided to leave the machine here. I just move a little bit on that side, and you can see from the crane. I need to put back the crane in line, but I'm not 100% sure, because maybe I want to move a little bit forward, let's say 1 foot, the milling machine. But I think that this is the best position, because here the machine, I don't have the space, you know, on the x-axis. So, but I gain a lot of space in this way. I will show you. Here I place that rack that for the moment is like this, but after I want to organize, because also here I move from there the siag milling machine, because I want to sell, you know, and in truth I don't need here. The only thing is my thinking about to make a CNC. That will be cool, you know. But let's see. I have a lot of projects running, and I cannot wait to come back to cut metal, you know. It's more than 2 weeks that I'm here on this shop new arrangement, let's say. And here there is a lot of space. Finally I can put the cart here, and like this over there I have free space. And today I make also this trolley in wood, where I place the decal accessory, you know. Cool, right? Leo and Luna? Luna? Leo? Yeah! Also here I want to make a two drawer. I'm already bought the guide that fit here. And I want also to do a shelf, you know, where I can place the decal vise. So both are on casters. This means that I can move around. Still on my desk I have a little disaster, but okay, that is just a clean up and that's it. It's not a big deal, that. And tomorrow finally I will assemble, I hope, the new DRO. So I know that maybe it was another boring video. The channel talk about my adventure in my little home shop. You see what I do and I share with you. So thank you for watching me. If you like, please put a like, and if you didn't subscribe, see you the next one.